Hey everybody, welcome to Fruit Loop Films. It's 4th of July here, and we're having a big old cookout. And I've been editing Japan videos for the last 3 weeks, and I figured with all the new Japanese and Asian watchers, you guys might be interested in what we're doing over here in the States. So we're doing a little 4th of July video, and I hope you enjoy it. Just kind of walk around and check out the festivities. We're going to eat some chicken, and specially prepared by Junebug himself, and lots of kids swimming and dogs and just having a good old time. So come on and join us. Hope you enjoy. Let's go. All right. Tell us about your preparations.
It's just rubbed with
What kind of rub are you using?
salt, pepper, paprika, garam masala, Mediterranean like shawarma spices. Surprised girl holds up one more year. Nothing spicy, just
It looks spicy.
flavorful. I'm 45. I can't take it here, or around the corner. Milk, lemonade. Some of the best places I work for. Okay, so 7, that's right. 5 solved this. And people say, well,
What you doing here, man?
I know the name of the restaurant. JC, thank you. I mean, we're done here, so.
What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
No, you over there, Bobby. Can you put them a little closer?
Hey. Do it. Do it.
Got it. Bobby, not yet. Wait a minute. Got it. Got it, not yet. No, got it, not like that. I'll take all my red ones. Get all your blue ones. I'll take all my red ones.
If you get all the air out, they stay.
Hey.
There's one over here too, I think.
Avocado or just?
I don't know. It's blue. It looks like one of the.
We got reusable
water balloon.
water balloons.
Magnetic.
Yeah, they got magnetic seals on them, and you can use them over and over.
Is that good?
Hey.
Oh, he still got me.
It's a mermaid.
What's happening?
You want to take an end?
Yeah, I guess I got it.
Jet!
What you
Come
eating?
and get your jet!
Hey.
What are you doing?
Introduce yourself.
Shane, how's
My name is George. My middle name is Ari, and my last name is Webb.
What's your middle name?
Ari.
Spell it.
A-O-I.
Oh, you making drinks?
Hey, buddy.
What you got?
Hey, Nicoletta. This is going to get slippery. Over here.
Yes, please.
Thank you. So,
Gotta drink it on film.
I'm going to have one in the middle.
I might do that. It feels good.
She just missed. That was also the that was the
Brain freeze.
He wants me to
What you making now? Daiquiris?
Strawberry margaritas.
Oh, margaritas.
Let's see. I've never used this mix before, so.
Strawberry? What do you think?
Not quite right.
Oh. What's that baby doing?
Hey. Aww.
Don't hurt it, Ella.
Be really careful.
Oh, ain't you?
She's still a baby.
The puppy.
Excuse me. Sorry.
So weird.
Coconut.
Dad's going in. My dad's coming in and asking. Why is it happy? One eye. Oh, that's a vacuum.
That's Waldo.
Model though.
Her name's Willow, but I call her Waldo. What's your name?
Nora.
Huh?
Nora.
Nora. Hey, Nora.
Ella, look at the camera. Look, girl. Say hi.
Hey, girl. That's my mind.
Somebody said, hey, I'm going to Birmingham.
Did you like her house?
Oh,
You playing with John?
long.
Yeah.
And now it's
It
just
used to be. It's all fake.
There's a lot of, like, my friend also got me there. A lot of like, no, shoot.
What kind of hot dogs you working with? My favorite kind.
gotta get the ball.
Is there specialist in edible recipes?
Anything else? Do you want anything else, Lil? Are you good? Do you want any pasta salad? No, yes?
Look at the spread. Salad. Deviled eggs.
You want eggs or strawberries?
More deviled eggs. Hot dogs.
Stupid amount of deviled eggs.
Stupid amount of deviled eggs.
It's cool though.
Chicken.
Can you get me a hot dog?
Hot diggity dog.
Hot
Oh, here
dogs.
comes Ella. Ella, take this off?
Hot dog?
There's chicken too.
Stars and striped plates.
Here, Joe.
I only want strawberries.
Strawberries.
Let's get you out of this wetsuit.
And other berries. Watermelon. Baby cupcakes.
That for you,
Can I have a baby cupcake?
Baby cupcakes.
You don't?
Can I please have a baby cupcake?
Shows how you make a hot dog. Of course, she probably put ketchup on it, I'm guessing.
You want some watermelon or some strawberries?
Which is wrong.
Oh my god, this, hold on. Let me just show you.
Yes?
Isn't this
How many out of 10? Out of 10?
12.
All right. One of the best burgers I've ever eaten. What do you think, Lily? Yeah? You haven't eaten enough. Chew before you talk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
We gotta get
Chicken?
Don't tell anybody.
The chicken?
Yeah. Yeah.
How many out of 10? How many?
Oh, it's at 11.
Oh.
Never.
dress. Oh, sweet.
She always has the best outfits.
Oh my goodness.
You want a burger or you want chicken?
You want chicken.
Uh-oh.
You want chicken.
Leave the dog.
Yes, you will eat it off the bone. And
Well,
oh my god.
that's over with.
Well, I guess the dog ate it.
Said spicy deviled eggs. Some of Junebug's chicken, which you know is good.
I think the hamburger was my favorite.
Yeah. Well, hamburger looks good too. So does the pasta salad. Oh my gosh.
What do you think? What's your favorite? Hamburger, chicken, hot dog? Hamburger was good, wasn't it? One of the best I've ever eaten.
Oh, the chicken.
What was it like out of 10? That's kind of really good. Okay. That's fair. All right, let her rip. Oh, ain't you sweet? Storm is rolling in. Perhaps.
I got the stuff.
Perhaps.
Mom's already in the car. Is she? Yeah.
Laverne, ain't you cute? So cute. I can't stand your cuteness. I can't stand your cuteness. It's so cute.
It's just so cute.
I can't stand the cute.
You need to be sitting where I am. Sit. Give her a little eyes.
Can't stand the cuteness.
Now we're about to hit now.
No.
It's
no.
going a different direction, honey. Look.
All right.
It's going south.
Compare.
Now. Oh, boom.
Zoom out.
Oh my God. Oh, there it is. You're telling me that's a small cell, baby?
Nick, that's moving south.
Yeah, I see.
Look at where we are and
All right, here we go. Look at it go. Look at it come.
That's the past. Past.
Now.
Nope. Now.
And now it's under us.
Right.
Yeah, we're good. We're right on the edge.
We're good.
We might be good.
Fireworks are going to happen.
We might be
They're
good.
going to be dry.
We're going to have fireworks anyway, but prices are burning twice in one day.
Spiders with wings and electricity. That'd be the end all.
But storm came through and the pool has been cleared.
I know, right?
But it's going to pass over us and then we're going to shoot some fireworks. JC, what kind of fireworks you get?
What kind did I get?
Yeah.
We got the Excalibur Platinum box. It's a 24 shot, 60 gram tank mortar with 4 loads at a time.
Oh, nice.
And he brought 2 more. I got Roman candles.
If we're really good, we could give.
And I got some 16 shots.
Still get 4 in the
I got
air.
the boxes that have 16 shots to come out of them.
Yeah. Smaller.
But they're great for just, nice.
Yeah.
Right when you cross the line, the exit you take for Carowinds, there's a place right on that exit as you're going to Carowinds called Area 51.
We
Right
went to
ne-
Phantom. That was the one we went
Next
to.
to it is
Laverne.
Frugal McDougal's.
Frugal McDougal's.
Stop.
And dude, they've got great deals.
Frugal McDougal's got great deals.
But anyway, I used to go there and say.
If you don't know, Frugal McDougal's.
Yeah.
I repeat, Frugal McDougal's.
Frugal McDougal's.
Show me fireworks.
We're divvying everything up into
Show him
3
the Excalibur
phases.
box.
3 phases.
Can we turn that light on right here?
This is the one right
This is
here.
go with
This
that.
is the end game.
And this is these right here. This is the end game.
Okay, end game.
Finale?
It's the finale.
All right, and then the rest.
What
of
are they?
this-
Tell me
Is
about
that a missile launcher?
Yeah, these are their pew. TNT, lots of it. Mortars. It's mortars.
Mortars.
So many mortars.
So it's gonna go like this. All right.
Area 51, $100.
It's gonna go bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. This is the thing.
Where's bag 2?
Bag 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
They're kind of interchangeable.
What's up in there?
Well, large
16, 16
16 shotters, all of them. We got a
Some
whole
20
bunch of them.
shotters, which is basically like a fireworks show, but only like 100 feet in the air.
And then missiles that make noise that are fantastic to watch.
whistle
They
and
whistle and
They don't
pop.
really go super high, but.
No, but they make a lot of noise.
13 minutes till fireworks.
First 3 months for the house.
You getting excited yet?
Something. It was a hunt for your house.
I am.
I think it was big up for maybe like a year and a half. Probably.
Pass it on.
Action!
He said action. Lights, camera. Just warming up the pavement. That's scary. Here we go. Fireworks. Look at the smoke, the sulfur gas coming through. Oh, that's good stuff. Disney World! Good gracious. Dude, one just went right where I was standing a second ago. Holy moly. Run for your life. I was just standing right there where that thing blew. It would have got me for sure. I'm scared of these now. Holy crap! Jesus! Take cover! I don't like that at all. It's not over. Wow. You can hear crickets now. I'm behind another car a little further down the way. I wanted to get the house in frame, so you see everybody in the back. And they're lighting the mortars. Get this shot. Fire in the hole. We're gonna try to catch the reflections off the windshield here. Yeah. Uh-oh. They said Junebug's putting his hair back. Everybody look out. That's fireworks, 4th of July in Raleigh, North Carolina. I hope you all enjoyed all that, and stay tuned for more on Fruit Loop Films. All right, everybody. Look at this. Look at all the trash.
Watch out, Barrett.
Dude,
What? Oh,
you know I can't run. What is that, a flare? Traffic flare? Mortars. They sound like real mortars. Like,
That's not a real one though.
good gracious. I was scared. Oh no! It's like the bugs are shooting off fireworks too. You okay, girl? She came to me. I was like, don't come over here. It's not safe. I'm boogieing with my headphones on and light sticks in my hand.
Fifth act. Oh.